Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn about the beautiful marigold flower and how to propagate it from seed. Marigolds are popular for their vibrant yellow and orange flowers, and they can be easily grown from seeds. So, let's dive into the complete propagation steps. Step 1. Gather the seeds. To start propagating marigolds, you'll need seeds from a healthy, blooming plant. You can collect the seeds by gently rubbing the marigold flowers with your fingers, or by using a seed brush to collect the seeds from the stamens. Be sure to dry them off with a paper towel before storing them in a dry, cool place. Step 2. Soak the seeds. To facilitate germination, it's essential to soak the marigold seeds in a damp, sterilized seedling mix for 12 to 24 hours. You can do this by mixing 1 cup of seedling mix with 1 cup of water, and gently stirring the mixture until it forms a thick, ball-like substance. This will help the seeds absorb moisture more efficiently. Step 3. Germinate the seeds. Once the seeds have soaked, it's time to germinate them. Spread them out on a wet, paper towel in a tray, and cover them with a light layer of soil. Make sure to keep the soil moist, but not soggy. Place the tray in a warm, dark place, and keep it consistent in temperature and humidity. After about 7 to 10 days, the seeds will start to sprout, and the seedlings will emerge. Step 4. Transplant the seedlings. When the seedlings have about 2 to 3 leaves, it's time to transplant them into individual pots or containers with a rich, well-draining soil mix. Space the seedlings about 2 inches apart, and ensure that they have adequate sunlight, around 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Step 5. Harvest the flowers. Once the seedlings have reached about 12 to 15 inches tall, you can start harvesting the marigold flowers for your propagating efforts. Simply pinch the stems just above a pair of leaves to encourage new growth and more flowers. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can easily propagate marigolds from seed and enjoy fresh flowers year-round. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about the wonderful world of seed collection, specifically focusing on the marigold flower. Marigolds are popular for their beautiful, bright yellow flowers, and have been used for centuries for their culinary, medicinal, and environmental benefits. To start our seed collection journey, let's first understand the benefits of marigolds. Apart from their eye-catching flowers, marigolds are known for their relaxing properties, making them excellent for calming anxiety and stress. They also have impressive healing capabilities, helping to treat skin conditions, wound healing, and even respiratory ailments. Additionally, marigolds are a great source of natural dye, making them perfect for upcycling projects and adding a touch of whimsy to your home decor. Now, let's dive into how to collect seeds from marigolds. To get started, all you need is a pair of gardening gloves and a marigold flower. Be sure to choose a healthy, well-shaped marigold, as its seeds will be more likely to sprout successfully. When collecting seeds, gently hold the marigold flower in your hands and gently squeeze the petals between your fingers. You'll notice a small yellow seed inside. With a pair of gardening gloves on, gently scoop out the seed. Using your fingers or a small seed scoop, and place it on a damp paper towel or a small container. You can store the seeds in a cool, dark place, or even freeze them for future use. In conclusion, marigold flowers are not only beautiful, but also offer numerous benefits for our health and the environment. By collecting seeds from these flowers, you can continue to enjoy the benefits of this versatile and therapeutic plant. Happy gardening!